the idea of solving the ODE. Once you sow the seed, the plants will grow naturally. The seed, in this case, is an idea that you should bear in mind. It might take you some effort to bear this idea in mind, but once the seed is sowed, the plant will grow naturally. So when you're solving an ODE, once you apply the idea in your mind, then the subsequent calculation will develop very smoothly. So in the subsequent slides, we will especially highlight those seeds in the calculation of the ODE solving process. Logistic equation plays an important role in population dynamics, which is a field models the evolution of population of plants, animals, or human. This is the expression of the logistic equation, and this is the form of the solution. And you can observe that minus by squared is the breaking terms, which prevents the population from growing without bound. So if we set b as 0, y will become an exponential growth function, which simulates a situation where a small group of people live in a big country. And furthermore, when time approaches infinity, this term will diminishes and y will become a over b, which is the limit of the population y. If we arrange this equation into this form, we can predict the trend of the population by simply observing this mathematical expression. For example, if y starts somewhere below a over b, the population will enjoy a positive exponential growth, and it will stay that way until it reaches the limit. And during the process, as the population y gets larger, this term will get smaller, and also the momentum of the growth trend will also decreases until it reaches the limit. Likewise, when population y starts from somewhere larger than a over b, the population will be an exponential decay function, and it will stay that way until it reaches the limit. And during the process, as the population y gets larger, the momentum of the decay will also decrease. So for me, the most beautiful point is that you can totally predict the trend of population by simply observing this mathematical form. The proportion of A over B determines the limit of population, and by observing this mathematical form, the population will be an exponential function, And the starting point of the population will determine whether it is a exponential growth or exponential decay function. And also, judging by this term, no matter it is a exponential growth or decay function, ultimately the population will reach its limit.